Hi, Bryce.
Hello, everybody. We just left San Fran about an hour and a half-ish ago. We're in our new destination for the week prior to Idaho, and this week is going to be spent in Santa Cruz.
Dun, 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 dun. Bryce, give us the lowdown.
We're not doing great.
What's the sitch?
We are
Well, you
almost...
made these beautiful pitas.
That
Those
I
are
did.
looking bomb.
We're almost out of... what was that? Who put these away like that?
That was definitely the van ghost.
Yeah. We're almost out of electricity. We're almost out of water. I don't know what's going on with the electricity thing either, so that's annoying. So that's not good. Just don't like that.
Yeah, we got 99 problems.
And electricity and water are both.
Yeah. Santa Cruz is big time though. We have this nice parking spot right on the ocean, looking out at the boardwalk. It was a great place to work. And the sun's shining, but it's not really charging.
Yeah, like, it's saying that we're giving out more than we're taking in, which I just don't get. Nothing is on. The fridge is on. Like, that's it. Like, I don't know what's happening.
How did you resolve the solar charging issue in the van?
We forgot about it. We just out of sight, out of mind.
Just decided to get ice cream and we're gonna deal with it after.
Yeah.
It's been a while since we've had to deal with a van issue like this,
Whatever
so.
happens, really.
Yeah.
I'm just like, whatever.
True that. We're probably gonna be up all night with the inverter beeping.
Yeah, I'd be so mad at like 2 a.m.
Look at him.
That's so funny.
He's so cute. Andy's got his buddy. Just a couple of friends hanging out, doing ocean stuff. Kind of like you and me, Bryce.
Alright. Usually I'm not like a Sunday guy, but oh my god.
Are we living our best lives right now?
Definitely.
Yes.
Running away from solar, grabbing ice cream. This thing's got caramel, hot fudge, cookies, 2 scoops of ice cream. Katie got a dipped waffle cone thingy. Wonder if you're gonna regret the cone.
No, I'm not gonna.
Hello. We, as you know, went to get ice cream, and then we tried to go to the campground, and they said that, yeah, there's a spot. And we showed up and there was a spot. However, they had some weird adapter that you had to have in order to plug in the electricity, which
the
we don't
electric
have.
hookup they had there did not match what we need to use to get electricity.
Yes.
And it was $55, so there was no point in us saying that.
Yeah.
So now what?
So now we just drove back. I'm curious, did everybody understand my explanation? Do we need to? Maybe. Unsure.
Going for a little walk to walk off our electricity troubles. There's a lot of cool birds out here. Found a bunch of little birds that just came out of these holes in the rocks. It's almost like Bryce learned nothing from me in Rhode Island, and he was just walking on the super slippery rocks in spite of me saying it's a bad idea. He's found a lot of crabs.
There are
A million crabs.
There are
Run! That was close.
Good morning. We decided to stay here for another day and are just dealing with our electrical problems. Look how cool this is though. Everyone's out there surfing.
Hi, Bryce.
Hello, everybody. We're in Capitola now. Also, the batteries are charging. Woo! So
Yeah,
that's
we're back
exciting.
in business. We're up to above 70% per last check.
Yeah, and now we're gonna go get tacos at Mijo's Taquiera.
Ooh! Time for a picnic.
Yeah, time for food.
You're my favorite picnic partner, just so you know.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Even more than George?
And George. I got a milkshake. Are you jealous?
No, I'm getting DQ.
Mine's gonna be so much better. It's a honey lavender milkshake.
That's a shot at Dairy Queen.
You just kind of fit in California. Hi, Sleepy.
Hello.
There you go. Back in business. Well, we have DQ. It was bound to happen. It's Thursday after work, and we are heading out of town. Peace
We're
out,
done.
Santa Cruz.
We're done.
We're done with what?
I don't know, California.
Oh, yeah. We're done with California.
Not because we don't like it.
No, we do like it. We just have places to be and people to see.